In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or change your domain in your HostGator customer portal. This process is essential if you're rebranding or simply want to use a different domain for your website. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To begin, you'll need to log into your HostGator customer portal. Enter your login details, and once you're in, you'll find a variety of options at your fingertips. In the portal, we'll be focusing on the section that manages your domains, which can typically be found under Domains or Manage Domains. So go ahead and click on that section. Now, you'll be presented with a list of all the domains associated with your account. From here, you'll want to select the specific domain that you wish to change or update. Take a moment to review this list and ensure you select the correct domain. A mix-up here could lead to some unnecessary headaches later on. If you're in the position where you want to change your primary domain, this is important. You'll need to contact HostGator support. Changing the primary domain can often require additional assistance, so don't hesitate to reach out to them. They're there to help you make the process as smooth as possible and ensure everything is set up correctly. Alternatively, if you're dealing with add-on domains, you have a bit more flexibility. You can update the domain settings within the portal directly, or replace it with a new domain name. Just make sure you've decided on what your new domain will be beforehand. This will help streamline the process and save you time. Once you've settled on the new domain, take a moment to update your DNS settings. This step is vital, as the DNS settings need to reflect the change to ensure that traffic is directed to your new domain properly. Failure to update your DNS settings could result in visitors being unable to reach your site, which we definitely want to avoid. Finally, don't forget to update your website's configuration files to use the new domain. This might be a bit technical if you're not familiar with website configuration, but it's crucial for ensuring that everything runs seamlessly with your new domain. This step ensures that all the elements of your website, from links to database connections, are working properly with your new domain name. And there you have it, a thorough guide on how to update or change your domain within your HostGator customer portal. Remember, each step is important for ensuring a smooth transition to your new domain. If you run